Hi, I'm Dawn Hooney. I'm Chief Methodologist at Hyper Island, and today we want to share a tool with you called the Stinky Fish. You might be wondering, what the heck is a stinky fish? Stinky fish is a metaphor for that thing that we carry around that we don't like to talk about, but the longer we carry it around, the stinkier it gets. So we've created this tool to get those things out so you can start to focus on the task at hand and the things that you want to be thinking about. We have created this board on Miro, which is very easy to use. It's intuitive, it's very simple and straightforward, though this exercise is quite profound. So don't be fooled by its simplicity. So there's some instructions here. Short activity focused on sharing fears, anxieties, and uncertainties. Purpose is to create openness within a group. And that openness can be an existing group or a new group, existing team or a new team. Explaining the metaphor, and it is super easy to use. We're going to go through 4 steps. And this is what they look like. So the first step is to explain that the purpose is to explore and share our individual worries and concerns about the future, for instance, as a way to kick off conversations and begin to overcome or confront these fears, anxieties, and issues you might be having. The second step is around explaining the metaphor. The third step is to give the participants about 5 minutes to capture their own stinky fish in the context for which they're working in. So a couple of examples, perhaps an example from our school could be a student moving from overseas to one of our schools, maybe the school in Manchester or in Stockholm. And they have a worry about integrating into a new culture, being worried about meeting and making friends with their peers, and just finding their feet in a new city. Maybe if we were working with one of our clients around a culture change program, for instance, maybe a stinky fish could be around, how is this change going to affect me? How is this change going to affect my team and the organization as a whole? So whatever that context is, you will have people fill in their stinky fish. And then the last step will be around, once all the participants have filled out their stinky fish, they're going to share them with each other. So this is what it looks like. This is the stinky fish template. You can blow it up. You can add your name. And then you can work on your stinky fish. And once everybody has filled it in, you can go around and share. And if you have quite a big group, you can just simply copy and paste the template, as many as you need. And the way that you're going to end this exercise is, there's a little tip here. Wrap up the exercise by thanking your participants and normalizing these fears or anxieties or worries about the context in which you are working. And if you want some more inspiration, we have created some examples at the very end. So we hope you will find the Stinky Fish a super effective tool. It's simple, it's a great energizer, and it's a great way to kick off a program or a workshop. So yeah, there you have it, Stinky Fish Hyper Island tool. Thank you.